Gone are those days when Grok AI was absolutely free. Like, I can recall those days. Let me not just say those days. Few hours ago when Grok AI was free, where we used to switch from email to another email to another email just for us to generate our images, animate our images, turn everything to video, and boom, Grok then updated their system. So now that Grok has updated its system, we can no longer create and animate our images. So what are we supposed to do at this point? Wait for Grok? The answer is no, and that's the main purpose, that's the main essence of this video. So guys, in this video I'll be introducing you to another platform where you can create your images, animate your images, and not just animation, because the quality is top notch. So if this sounds like a video you would love to watch, and I'm urging you to watch this video from start to finish, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to like this video. So because I don't want this video to be long, let us just go straight to it. So first of all, this is my Google. I'll go ahead and type dream machine AI. So I've gone ahead to type dream machine AI. So I'll go ahead and search. Now once you type dream machine AI, if you check, you see many AI tools. I want you to pay close attention, because if you're not clicking on the exact one I'll be showing you, you will not get it right. So at this point I'll go ahead and scroll like this. I'll go ahead and scroll. If you come down, you see this particular one here. So once you see this one, once you see Google Gemini, you go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on this Google Gemini, it will take you to another interface. Now here it says break the silence with Veo 3.1. So it goes ahead to say all of this, these are things that people have done with this platform. Now do not panic, because it is actually free, because I know at this point you're like, is it free? Am I gonna pay? Am I gonna put my card? Calm down and watch the video. So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on try video. So I've gone ahead to click on try video. It will take me to another interface. So at this point it is loading, and it has brought me to this particular interface. Now once it brings you here, where we have get more out of Gemini, so here it says upgrade. It says upgrade. I don't want you to look at that. I don't want you are not upgrading, you understand? So you're not upgrading. All you have to do at this point is for you to scroll up like this. Now once you scroll up, you come across this particular interface where it says looking for AI solutions to your business or work account, learn more. So here it will show your region. Currently this is my region, and here it says free of charge. Get everyday help from Google AI to tackle tasks at work, school, or home. Look at it here, 0 naira. 0 naira. So guys, all we are going to do at this point is for us to go ahead and click on get started. Do you understand? So you just go ahead and click on get started. So at this point I have gone ahead to click on get started. Once you click on it, it will take you to another interface. Like right now, it has brought me to this interface. Now looking at this interface, like right now, it says create image. I already told us in the introduction of this video that you can create images using this particular AI tool. Here it says create music. You can create music using this particular AI tool. Here it says create video. You can create videos. You can as well do your research as well as building an idea. You understand? Now guys, I'm going to show you everything, like all the features of this AI, so that you can leverage on it. So at this point, first of all, let us create an image. You understand? So here I'll go ahead and click on create image. Now that I've clicked on create image, all I'm gonna do is for me to tell it the kind of image that I want. So here I will say, please generate an image of an African lady cooking in a local kitchen. Make the picture quality make the picture quality very high, comma, classic, and good enough to attract viewers. You understand? So I won't make it longer than this because I don't want to waste your time. Now, I like saying this and I'll keep saying it over and over again. If your prompt is good enough, trust me, if your prompt is good enough, the outcome will also be good enough. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on this. Send icon. I've gone ahead to click on it and it will generate for me. Do you understand? So here it says creating your image. So you just have to wait for it to create the image. You understand? So let's wait for it to get done creating. Okay guys, so looking at this picture, look at it like right here, it has generated it for us. So this is the woman cooking in an African kitchen. So you can see she's cooking with firewood, and if you look at the aspect ratio of this image, it is 16:9. You understand? So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and save it. So I've gone ahead to long press. These options came up, so I'll go ahead and click on save. You understand? So it will save automatically into my gallery. So in case you don't want to, okay, so it has already saved into my gallery. All I will do at this point is this: I'm gonna turn this image into a talking video. You understand? So by this, I'll go ahead and click on this plus sign here. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on create video. I've gone ahead to click on it. Now I have the option to choose the image I want from my gallery. So I'll go ahead and click on this plus sign here. I've gone ahead to click on the plus sign. It has brought me to this place where it says I can choose from my camera, my gallery, my files, and my drive. So I'll be choosing directly from my gallery. So it has brought me to this interface. All I would do is for me to go ahead and choose this image that we generated. You understand? So at this point, I've gone ahead to click on the image. I've gone ahead to click on done. So here I will go ahead and describe my video. If you look at it right here, it says describe your video. So this describe your video means that you should tell it what you want this woman to do. You understand? So at this point, I'll go ahead and give it a detailed prompt. Here I will say I want this woman to taste her, to turn the food on the fire, taste it and say, after testing it, she will say this is super delicious. Who cares for more? So I'll go ahead and close my quotation sign. So this is it. You can tell it anything, you can tell it to do anything for you. So I'll just go ahead and click on this icon here. I've gone ahead to click on the icon and it will generate our video for us. So at this point, it says analyzing. Now it says processing. Now it's redefining the video generation. So let's just wait for it to get done. It will generate for us. So this is it. Here it says generating your video. This can take 1 to 2 minutes. Now I think this is reasonable when compared to other AI tools, because 1 to 2 minutes is not a long time. Now it's not. If you've, as a faceless content creator, I believe you have tried other options, so by this time you should know that an AI tool that generates video for you between 1 to 2 minutes is not too much. So let's wait for it. Let's see the outcome together. let's see the outcome. Anyway, let me pause the video because I don't want to waste your time. So once it is done generating, I will show you the outcome. So guys, at this point our video is ready. So all I'm gonna do at this point is for me to click on the video. So now that I've clicked on it, I will go ahead and click on this download icon. I've gone ahead to click on the download icon, and it will go directly into my gallery. Now if you want to copy the link, you can click on the share icon to copy the link and send to someone. If you want to download it, you click on the download icon and it will download directly into your gallery. So at this point, let us watch this video together. But before we watch, kindly like, kindly subscribe, kindly share this video so that it will get to other persons. You understand? See you guys in my next video, but watch this video first.
This is super delicious. Who cares for more?